Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Selamat siang, sore teman-teman semua. Welcome back to my channel Anang Bidik. Oke guys, jadi hari ini kita akan main game Shadow of Tomb Raider. Ya, kita akan mulai dari awal game ini guys. Dan kita akan langsung aja. Sebelumnya gue mau setting dulu. Grafiknya biar, nah ini bising ini harus di on kan biar nggak patah-patah. Oke, grafik sudah cukup oke ya, kita langsung masuk ke gameplay aja guys. Normal, easy, oh ini difficulty nih. Hard, kita normal aja, sedang-sedang aja. Oke, buat kalian yang menunggu waktu berbuka, silahkan nonton game ini. Kita akan sama-sama menamatkannya guys. Masih loading ya. Grafiknya keren sih. Wah tuh, entahlah kalau di dalam ya, gua belum coba soalnya ini. Shadow of Tomb Raider. Press left shift or hold, klik kiri atau klik kanan to swim faster. Oh, bisa berenang juga ternyata ya. Oke. Masih loading ternyata. Halo Mang, halo Om Jaki. Aduh, Om Jaki udah hadir nih. Nungguin berbuka ya Om ya. Kita main game Shadow of Tomb Raider dulu Om. Kok speed internet ini kurang sip ya. Dapatnya di 5 Mbps aja ini. Besambang makanya. Basambang. Oh, udah masuk nih. Masih hitam. Square Enix. Kayaknya keren ini, keren. Wih, sayang bebek udah mulai. Oke. Di mana ya? Oh, kayaknya di helikopter ya? Atau di pesawat? Grafiknya guys, grafiknya keren. Sabar, teman-teman ngabuburit. Oke, Om Jaki. Dikira tadi sambung. Bisa panjang nih. Nah, ini subtitle. Oh, pesawat, astaga. Terus pesawatnya guys. Nah, coba kepalanya turun kita. Oke. Pasangkan pengaman, kita akan mendarat darurat guys. Ini dia. Sayang bebek. Oke. Oh, 2 hari kemudian. Bukan. Iya benar, 2 hari kemudian. Wah, detail banget guys. Detail banget gamenya. Beda sama yang kemarin tuh 2013 gamenya Tomb Raider itu. Udah rusak pula filenya. Malas download.
Jonah, I'm here. Just a little stuck.
Bisa nggak sih di option? Display. Aduh. Bisa nggak sih dimunculkan subtitlenya ya? Subtitle di mana? Oh ini. Oke. Semoga bisa ya.
A rock pinned my leg.
Kok nggak ada? Oh ya.
No, I'm right on Trinity's tail. I don't want to attract attention.
I'm on my way.
I won't be long.
I won't be long. Udah pernah main game ini Om Zaki? Wah, apa ini? Wah, kejepit guys. Oh, dipencet terus. Oke. Astaga, kaki kita patah kayaknya itu. Patah kakinya guys. Wah, makin cakep ini ayam bebek. Ayo bangun, bangun, bangun. Kita akan bertualang nih.
Shit. Maybe through there.
Ini kita di mana ya? Dalam goa apa di mana ya? Oh, naik. Bentar, kok kebalik sih ini? Wih, keren guys. Naik. Oke. Bisa. Wih, keren banget, sumpah keren banget. Ini dalam goa ya atau dalam lubang? Terus. Oke, kita udah nyampe di atas nih. Ya. Nah, itu tuh. Itu apa namanya ya? Kapak buat ini, buat manjat tebing. Tengkorak ini kayaknya kita jatuh di tempat yang memang udah sering ini didatangin orang ya. Wah.
Trinity is an ancient and secretive organization ruled by an Illuminati-like high.
Ada. WSAD biasa, jam pasti jam.
Jonah, I'm out. Be careful the way into the.
Bentar ya, mouse-nya ini terlalu sensitif. Kita kurangin dulu, nggak enak. Mouse smoothing ini kurangin juga nih untuk aim. Oke, kita tes.
Just full of traps.
Nah, tuh kan enak.
Trinity's not done with it yet.
They're protecting something.
6 weeks. And still no solid
ada mayat,
leads on
guys.
who's leading the local Trinity
Dan
cell.
manusia biasa tersangkut
But I
bang
talked to
dalam
some people in
situ.
town.
Iya.
And they're excited.
Dia kan
There's a
manusia
VIP coming
juga
to the
nih.
Day of the Dead.
Oke,
Name's
kita
Dominguez.
harus kemana?
You should look into it.
Banyak banget mayat sini ya. Tuh, tentara guys, tapi udah jadi tengkorak. Wah. Oh, sama. Pencet Q itu kayak apa ya? Kayak petunjuk. Wah, ini yang gue demen nih main Tomb Raider nih. Ini manusia cacak. Oke, ke atas ya. Terus spasi. Bisa. Oke, cakep. Wis, keren banget guys. Oke, kita naik dulu. Oh iya, kita udah sampai. Hop, lagi. Yes, kita sudah sampai atas.
Jonah, I made it.
Jonah,
I'm on my way in.
Oh Jonah itu
Sorry I
temannya.
didn't wait. Be careful.
Oh, apa ini? Wis. Oke, kita langsung aja ke sana. mandi guys. Ih, cakep banget. Nanti kita mandi dulu ya. Beautiful. Oh, kok ada alat? Alat apa itu? Penyadap ya? Berarti ada orang lain di sini ya? Oh, itu semacam ini ya, semacam rasi bintang gitu. Oh, ini si Jonah ini.
Wow. Get a load of this place. Guess all that research paid off. Now we know what Trinity is after.
Yeah, they really didn't want us in here.
I'm glad we followed your father's notes. I saw where the passage collapsed on you back there. You want me to take a look at that wound?
No, I'm fine.
Bisa di skip nggak sih?
What is all this?
Constellations. This inscription is some sort of riddle.
Grafiknya Jami Soro.
Fish.
Silver
Okay.
Crowned Mountain.
Gak bisa di skip.
There's a date here. But something's off. Looks like it was damaged, perhaps intentionally.
Why would Trinity sabotage this? They usually just destroy everything.
No, I think the damage is older.
Nggak ngomong.
Would have tampered with it.
Awas. Nah kan. Oh, jebakan guys.
Laura,
Lara. Oh, bom.
you gotta
Kabur,
get out.
kabur, kabur, kabur. Masih sempet-sempetnya dia mau moto. Astaga. Buruan, buruan, buruan.
Move! Move!
Come on, come on, come on. Yes, kita udah di luar guys. Selamat, selamat, selamat.
If you hadn't dragged me out, I'd still be in there taking pictures.
You'd still be in there. Don't know if you'd be doing much.
Jonah.
Hey, you want to freshen
Masih
up?
banyak cerita ya
Group at the
awal-awalnya.
cafe? Dr. Dominguez is
Pesawatnya
supposed to be there
mengodak
tonight.
siluman cacak.
I'll try and decipher the riddle.
Ke siluman cacak sih om. Ini ayang bebek
Big
gua
fish,
ini om.
Silver Crown Mountains, I'll look into it.
Udah pernah
By
main
the
ini
way,
ya?
This cafe
Om Jaki.
is supposed to have really good food. I know the chef.
Wih. Oh ada kota.
After all of that, I'm starving.
Nah, kayaknya kita nih nggak terlalu main di hutan ya, kayak Tomb Raider yang lama ya. Mas Octava, halo, halo juga. Bahasa apa ini? Meksikana. Oh, Meksiko ini. Yes, keren. Waduh, haus-haus dia minum.
There he is.
Anything new on Dr. Dominguez?
Ini kayak pesta
Not
topeng ya.
much. He's leading a
Kayak
few
Halloween.
Trinity digs in the area.
My father mentioned him in his journal more than once. He's an expert on pre-colonial ruins.
Everyone
Gua
says he's a great guy.
screenshotin aja dulu
Big
deh.
help to the town. So how's your leg?
Jonah, look. The riddle. Its directions. To find the
Ini
hidden city,
grafiknya
go
jauh ya
south
dari yang
along the shore
2013
until
ya.
you find
Sumpah
the
jauh
pink
banget ini.
fish.
I found something for that.
Detail banget yang
It's
sekarang nih.
pink dolphins found only in the Amazon.
It goes on. Then chase the heart of the serpent to the silver-crowned mountain.
Ah, itu yang kita foto tadi tuh.
Look at this.
Itu adalah
It's the
petunjuk.
constellation Hydra, the
Entahlah
serpent.
ditanya apa.
This star
Bang,
is the
cheatnya
heart.
F4,
It's set in the
Bang.
southwest.
So southwest
Cheat
from the
jadi
Amazon
kebal.
River.
Oke.
Brazil.
Alt F4 dan semuanya buyar. Bubarlah game
This
ini.
date from the ruins, see? If you look closely, it is damaged. This number looks like a Maya 13, but what if it's really an 8? With precession, it...
What?
Precession. The Earth tilts, so
lama
over
banget ya.
time these stars...
Oh, skip, bisa di skip dong. Oke, yes. Oke,
Trinity's
kita
people
jalan-jalan
are
dulu.
armed. I heard they brought in reinforcements.
I'll
Kita
stay out of
menyamar
the
ya?
way. I want to avoid what happened with the last cell we took down.
They must know we
Wih,
were at the other
keren
side.
banget guys.
So much for a night off.
Where did Dominguez go?
He can't be far. He must be in the courtyard somewhere.
Yeah,
Gambarnya gimana?
Let's look around.
someone must know
Jelas ya?
something.
Hey, Sammy. How's
Find
it going?
Dominic's view map. Oh ini kesini, oke. Sana tuh. Oh,
Can you believe it? This one was caught drinking the ofrendas.
orang ini ya, orang
I'm
biasa
sure I
aja
was
bisa
just
ajak ngobrol.
mischievous as a child.
We need to punish him. Tequila will take care of that on its
Ini apa
own.
nih?
He drank enough.
Please, try some.
Smells delicious.
Oh, so now you have time to eat.
Pentol ini,
Blending in.
pentol. Ya, ini pentol bakso ini. Wah, buat berbuka enak gitu. Oke. Kita harus muter, guys. Itu tadi ketutupan tuh
Any sign
sama
of him?
tukang jual pentol.
Let's keep looking.
Tutup sana tuh. Kita nggak bisa lari ya.
I'm not really used to
Oh,
crowds.
sama-sama mabuk.
You'd rather storm guards or the deathless?
No, this is fine.
Oh, kita pakai topeng juga.
Jonah, he's at the gate.
I see.
Yes.
Good. Be sure I'm not followed.
Mencari bingka. Bajuru jar.
I think I can find another way over the
Paling
wall.
nyaman tuh bingka berandam, Mang Jaki.
I'll take care of these guys.
Oke, si Jonah mau ngomong dulu tuh.
fellas, how you doing?
Good. You can't come
Kita akan cari jalan lain nih buat masuk ya. Kita mencari Dominic.
Like chicks.
Oh, bisa lewat samping. Oke.
It's not for tourists.
Cakepnya yang bebek, ayang bebek.
You know her? She's my cousin. My abuela.
Oh, itu tuh si Dominic tuh. Ayo dipanjat aja.
Wanted to make like an offering. What's that thing you do with the blankets? All right. You know what? I can see you guys are busy. I won't waste any more of your time. Y'all keep on trucking. Thanks for your service.
Yes.
Keeping us safe.
Terus kita kemana?
Jonah, I'm in.
Good. Those
Kita
guards
ada
were
di
enough
dalam.
to
Oh, ini kayak tempat.
Dominguez must suspect something.
Ini tempat pemakaman. Kuburan, tapi yang di ini, yang dibakar-bakar tuh.
Excuse me.
Dikremasi. Ya, benar. Kemana tadi ya si Dominic ya? Oh, ke sana. Kita harus ke sana. Oke. Ini kuburan ini. Kita kelilingin ya.
Contact with the High Consul, Commander.
Yes, sir. Even after the fiasco in Brazil. No one questions your
Permisi,
leadership of the
permisi.
organization.
We've come too far to
Pardon.
stop now.
Yes, sir. They're ready for anything.
Kita harus naik ke sana, guys.
Jonah, Dominguez is not just the leader of this cell. I think he's the leader of Trinity.
Oh, dia pimpinan Trinity. Apa ya Trinity?
Laura,
Yeah, I heard you.
Sorry.
My fault.
Oh, ke sana. Ini keren ya game ya. Kayak gini nih wajib ditamatin nih.
Someone set off a trap at the first site. We think it was Croft.
Wait.
What's wrong?
I want confirmation, Commander. No more guessing.
Oke, kita
I'll
ikutin
make
lagi.
sure we get visual confirmation.
Oh, ada apa itu kembang api dong? Ada tengkorak
Jonah,
terbang.
they might have noticed me. I'll try
Kita
the
nggak
back
bisa lewat
alley.
sini.
I'll find another way around.
Gue mau screenshot dulu ya. Bagus banget gambarnya, guys. Oke, kita lewat samping ya. Mau screenshot yang keren gitu. Nah, bener kan lewat sini kan? Pinanya inya nih berdahuluan lawan lawan organisasi Trinity buat ngambil artefak pinanya, Pang. Oke, thank you Om Jaki.
You're very gracious.
Namanya kita nih nggak pintar bahasa Inggris ya. Jadi kita harus duluan ya ngambil artefak sama organisasi Trinity yang dipimpin oleh Dominic.
Yeah, this is Commander Rourke.
Oh, salah.
Dominguez wants confirmation Croft is here. You have the photo. Female, Caucasian, early 20s. You got that?
Well,
Good. They'll find her.
good. I don't
Udah di
want
sana,
anyone
oke.
getting in there.
Kita harus kemana ya? Oke, kita lanjut. Ada penjaganya mabuk.
Hey, get out of my office.
Sorry.
Close the door when you leave.
Right.
Oke.
Don't worry. Go, play.
Dia orang baik loh.
The readings at the site are unlike anything we've ever seen.
Oke, kita ikutin terus ya.
If this is it, we'll be ready.
Ah, itu tuh ada jalan tuh, lihat bawah tuh.
Jonah, they've entered the dig site. It's fenced off and there's a guard at the gate.
Ada
Find
ekskavator
another
dong.
way in.
I found a good spot. I'll watch the perimeter.
Kita harus ngapain ya? Naik sini. Gak bisa ya. Kita cari jalan naik dulu ya. Ini apa nih? Klot. Oh, kita harus ke sana. Oh, udah bisa lari kita. Oke. Nah, kayak gini kan enak, cepet. Spasi lagi. Yes. Itu bukan itu candi tadi ya, lambang candi ya? Yang kita temuin tadi tuh.
There's got to be more to these ruins.
Oke, kita lanjut. Nah kan bener kan?
A Maya pyramid.
Oh, piramid.
Inside some
Oke
sort
lah,
of
piramid namanya.
cave.
Tunduk apa sih?
Take him into the ruins. Should be far enough out of earshot. No, please, don't make this harder than
Tap. Oke.
it's your own fault. No witnesses. No, please, no.
Ini truk mau kemana ya? Apa kita naik truk ya? Oh, lewat sini. Oke. Pindah. Candi Agung Amuntai. Awas.
Come on, just do it.
Ini gimana ya bodongnya? Stop the execution. F. Oke, F. Yes, kita take down.
I'm a government
Ayo, jangan sampai dieksekusi itu.
Not anymore, Mr. Lead Archaeologist.
Panah aja.
Your employment has been terminated.
Please, no. I have money. I can pay you.
Headshot dong. Yes. Lu gue selamatin lo. Oke, kita diselamatkan Sandra, guys. Aku tidak ingin menyakitimu, katanya.
You work for Trinity. What did they find?
Well, they've been searching for a
Rambutnya
temple entrance for
berubah-ubah
many
ya.
years.
Sekarang
Today they
hitam,
found it.
tadi pirang.
I have to
agak
go warn my
pirang.
sister. She's on her way here now.
Jonah,
Kemana
Trinity
kita?
just tried to kill a local archaeologist.
Oh God.
I have to find what they're looking
Apaan
for.
sih? Ada box.
This is Commander Rourke.
Dapat
All
XP.
teams,
Oke.
get ready for Operation Blackout.
Ini. Oh,
I better check those
nambah
ruins.
healthy ya. Kita cek dulu sekitar sini ya. Nah, ini kayaknya buat upgrade deh. Nah, oke, kita naik. Dua kali loncat. Oh, yes. Ngalih larani diambil bini. Ada kawa. Nggak bisa om, diambil bini om. Yang, tolong bikin sayur dong yang. Oh bentar, ini lagi petualang di hutan. Dia bentar-bentar dalam hutan.
Oh, and this is Shack Shell, the new moon. There's an inscription. Shack Shell, the key
Skip aja deh.
lies beyond. Got to make my way down.
Spasi. Terus Yes. Terus kemana? Turun.
Okay, this should work.
Oh begini. C untuk turun. Oke. Oh, oke, keren.
Alright.
Ups, sampai dong. Ini kemana ya?
This is Commander Rourke. I
Ini
want the
keren
site
banget ini.
secured ASAP.
Sumpah yang
When
kayak
Dr.
begini
Dominguez
sumpah.
arrives, we all go in together.
Oh, ke sana. Yes. Naik ya? Naik nggak bisa. Oh, turun. Keren banget ya. Nah, jangan jatuh yang bebek. Oke, kita lompat lagi guys. Hup. Yes. Terus kemana ya? Terus naik lagi. Kok jauh banget ya?
All
Yes.
units, get ready.
Lagi.
Dr. Dominguez is on his way down.
Damn, I better hurry.
Keren, sumpah keren banget ini. Turun. Naik.
I've got this.
Oh begini ya, kita berayun dulu. Ya. Oke, spasi. Yes. Keren, sumpah keren.
The statue is looking at that cave.
Ini kita berayun aja nih. Nah, kan? Gimana yang ayunnya? Oh, nggak bisa diayun sih. Oh, pakai mouse. Dasar lain Sulman cacak ini. Yes, sampai dong. Oke.
This is it. Jonah,
Human. Oh, kita harus ke sana. Oke.
I'm entering a cave. We may lose contact.
Copy that. I'll keep an eye on Trinity out here.
Ini terlalu gelap nggak sih? Kita kasih terang dikit ya. Brightness. Yes. Nah tuh. Oh, dia ini suka banget ya yang bisa sela-sela begini. Nah kan nyambur kita.
This cave looks like it's usually underwater.
Ini tuh air. Ngapain sih? Oh ini. Disuruh ngapain sih kita ya? Begini. Oh, keren. Yes.
Should have seen that coming.
Harus tunduk ini. Nah, itu kan enak melihatnya kan? Oh, tikus. Ini banyak banget. Heart of Sperm, hati sang ular. Oh,
What is this place?
tempat apa ini? Kita cari petunjuk dulu ya. Oke. Oh, 4. apa sih? Kita disuruh ke bawah, berarti kita menyelam nih. Tapi mau cek dulu nih. Nah ini. Oke, kita dapat jamur guys. Nah kan banyak item kan. Oke, kita mandi sekarang ya. 1, 2, 3. Hop. Kontrol to dive. Oh, untuk menyelam. Oh gitu, sip untuk berenang cepatnya guys. Cepet banget ya berenang ya. Guys, apa itu? Ini banyak tulang. Tadi kayak belut itu ya. Belut yang di laut itu. Tuh ada lagi tuh. Oh lama, cantik banget. Oke lagi. Mau screenshot dulu. Udah dapat. Salah. Oh, no. Astaga, kaget. Mas, buruan. Naik. Habislah napas kita. Ayo buruan, ayang bebek. Astaga. Bisa nggak sih ini? Oh bisa. Ayo semangat. Nanti jam sekarang. Kok tahu sih? Om Jaki udah pernah nih main nih. Oh no, kejepit. Astaga. Terus. Yes. Oh, gua yang sesak napas guys. Astaga. Keren. Ini yang di tanah ini
I
banyak
have to find the
tengkorak ya.
temple Dominguez is looking for.
Kita kemana sih? Sana lewat sini ya. Oh, apa ini? Oh, jebakan. Kita putusin. Begini amat ya. Yes. Hop. Naik. Om Jaki nih tahu nih ada jump scare nih. Belum suah main mah, tak kali ingat biasa melihat orang main di Kajuti Walut.
I made it. I'm in an underground temple.
Kita harus semangat. Oh, kesana.
Whoa. That's not good.
Lompat, yes.
Blasting their way in.
I can tell it's causing tremors. There's a pyramid. I'm gonna get to the
Naik.
top.
Sini yang sana naik. Kita turun. Sini lagi. Yes. Sampai dong. Naik ke sini kita. Oh no, gua lupa mencet spasi lagi guys. Astaga, jatuh dah kita.
Jonah, I made it. I'm in an underground temple.
Good.
Kita di kuil.
Whoa,
Hop,
that's not
langsung naik,
good.
langsung.
Laura,
Buruan.
Trinity's
Hop.
blasting their way in.
I can tell it's causing tremors. There's a pyramid. I'm gonna get to the top.
Hop. Buruan. Yes. Hardwood, kayu keras buat apa ya? Itu tuh apa tuh? Nggak bisa kita hancurin ya? Oke lah, kita masukin dulu ya. Kemana lagi? Oke, kita ambil item dulu.
Laura, how's it going?
Banyak banget
Good.
mayat di sini ya.
There are platforms that can help me reach the top. Looking for something
Kalau Om
to weigh
Jaki
them
udah pernah
down.
nonton nih, kasih petunjuk dong, kasih clue dong.
Got some activity here. I'm gonna get closer.
Kesan kanakan yang nonton jangan mengumpati, jangan diikutin kelakuannya di game Tomb Raider ini. parkour kalau mendadak gugur. Bikin susah orang tua, kata Om Jaki. Ini kayaknya gini deh. Hancur. Nah, terus ini kita dorong deh kayaknya. Dorong ke sana. Oh, banyak mayat. Ada ke atas dong. Oh, buat itu. Jadi pemberat guys, supaya kita bisa lewat sini. Yes. Habis dari sini kemana ya? Nyampe ya ke sana ya? Ke sana bener nggak sih? Yes, sampai dong. Keren banget. Oh, no. Lompat. Yes, habis ini. Buruan. Yes. Penuh perparkuran game ini ya. Oh, ini kayak yang Tomb Raider lama nih. Cantolin. Terus kita naik sini. Yes. Cek. Kalau kayak gini berarti bentar. Gua mau pindahin ini dulu nih. Ini gua mau turunin aja deh. Tuh, situ aja ya. Nah. Kurang ke pinggir dong. Dah. Terus kita harus kemana nih? Ada beginian. Pikir kita nggak tahu. Kecil aja itu. Ini kemana sih? Ini apa namanya ya? Lupa. Ini namanya stalaktit. Gue baru ingat tuh. Kita lompat lagi. Yes. Kemana nih? Kayak penuh puzzle ya. Gak enak, brightness-nya ketinggian. Kita turunin brightness ya. Oke. Ini buat apa ya? Udah diputusin. Terus jadi apa?
Need to find a way to destroy that debris.
Apa tuh? Oke, kita dapat item. Diapain ya?
Need to find a way to destroy that debris.
Oh, ini nih kita jatuhin dulu nih. Oke. Terus?
Need to find a way to destroy that debris.
Harusnya jatuhnya ke sana ya. Bisa nggak? Oh, bisa kita gerakin. Bisa diputar gak sih? Kita tarik ke atas sini dulu deh. Bisa nggak? Tuh, bisa. Oke. Nah, ini kita putar nih.
The cart would tip over if I reeled it in.
Oh, bisa gerak sih?
Need to find a way to destroy that debris.
Gak bisa gerak, guys. putusin lo. Apa ini ya? Oh, yes. Dia harus sesuai arahnya, guys. Oke, baru kita. Oh, bentar, ini putusin dulu nih. Pinter banget dah gua. Hop. Tuh, bener kan? Terus naik terus. Dah, kita putusin. Terus, kan skinnya keren. Wah. Apa yang terjadi? Oh, ada tangga ke sana. Oke. Jadi kita harus naik ke sana, guys. Gimana sih? Kita dari sini. Oh, bener-bener. Oh, no. Yes. Gini doang ternyata ya. Kemana lagi? Nah, kan ada item terus yang tersembunyi. Terus ini kita kemana sih? Jatuh. Astaga. Apa-apaan ini jatuh segala. Aduh. Oke. Bentar nih, gua harus cari. Oh, di sana. Emang gimana caranya? Oh, bisa Spider-Man dong kita. Astaga, keren banget dong. Yes.
Jonah, there's a mural here. It shows a box. Inscription says, "The silver box of Ishal." That must be what's in the hidden city.
Petunjuk
This is a
itu.
Maya
Itu
myth.
kan parkour.
It says the box will summon the god Kukulkan.
The creation god. Is that what Trinity's after?
Wait, there's more. Looks like a
ini
series of
petunjuk ini.
cataclysms.
Walaupun gua nggak ngerti nih
Tsunami.
petunjuk, intinya ini
A
petunjuk ya.
storm. An earthquake. Volcanic eruption.
So much for
Volcanic
God
eruption.
Well, in Maya belief, Kukulkan is the god of creation and destruction.
Oke, ini apa ini?
This
Hydra
looks like the Hydra
constellation.
constellation, but the stars seem out of alignment.
Oh, ini kayak rasi bintang ini. Cuma kita harus melepaskan. Oke. Bukan kita ya yang gerakin ya. Wih, keren. Oke, apa yang terjadi? Oh, kita dapat belati dong.
Jonah, I found a dagger.
I found a dagger.
There's an inscription. The key to Ishal's heart
key.
unlocks the cleansing.
Unlock cleansing.
We can't let Trinity get hold of this.
Apa artinya?
Let's think this through. Hey, shit! Laura, Trinity guards are coming your way.
Wah, itu penjaga Trinity mengarah ke sini nih. Ambil, buruan. Yes, suku Maya percaya dengan dewa yang bernama Kukulkan. Nah, Kukulkan ini ceritanya dewa pencipta dan penghancur roh gitu ya. Oke.
What have I done? Shit. Jonah, get to higher
kita harus lari.
ground.
Oh no, you took it, didn't you?
Hurry.
Ambil item, jangan lupa. Walaupun kondisi genting.
Doctor demanding some more men.
Buruan. Udah bisa tuh.
Yeah, that's what the reinforcements are for. Yes, I heard
Ini
you.
tempat yang kemarin.
Dominguez is coming tonight. I
Tahun
get
dari
it.
dia.
What I'm telling you is the rain is gonna flood it.
Ini sini.
What the fuck do you think I'm doing? I'm checking on the water pump right now.
Oh, mereka tuh sedang nyari ini
Okay.
juga ya.
Let's make sure everything's copacetic here.
Ini kita take down ada ya. Kita take down dulu nih. Yes. Dapat lo. Ah, ini yang berdarah nih. Ada yang nonton, nanti jangan diikutin ya. Mana?
Answer me. You finished with that pump yet?
Oke, sana.
Come and help me get these lights ready.
Ada lagi guys.
Operation Blackout has been initiated. None of the local workers leave the site alive. Ah, fuck. We
Ini kita
planned
bisa
for
lewat
this.
sini.
Make sure the perimeter's secure.
What do you think is in there?
I don't know, but I hear the readings are off the charts.
Let's just make sure the perimeter is secure when Commander Rourke gets here.
We'll be ready.
Inspectors are coming. Be ready.
Dapat, yes. Sembunyiin.
Fuck. Don't worry, I'll fix it.
This is taking way too long. If Dominguez has to wait for us when he gets here, it's not going to be pretty.
Nih, buat apa nih?
What's happening at the gate?
Cek.
The archaeologist.
Already?
Yep. Operation Blackout is
Oh.
right ahead of schedule.
Oke. Yes. Yes. Kita hampir mati guys. Benar loh, ha? Ambil senjata. Mana sih ngambil senjatanya? Oh, dinyalain dulu dong. Astaga. Main lempar-lempar aja. Oh, ke atas.
Your privileges have been revoked.
Commander Rourke, this is Gamma Leader. Operation Blackout is complete.
Udah apa nih?
No witness. Site is secure.
Hop, 2 kali. Oke. Banyak lagi loh. Mereka ngebunuhin warga guys. Mas.
All right, let's dispose of the bodies. You, monitor the police.
Kita harus lewat sana.
Let us know when the gunshots get reported. Rourke and the reinforcements are on the way. I want everything ready when they get here.
Oh, sorry.
Goddamn archaeologists.
Yes,
Glad to be
dapat
rid of them.
satu.
Yeah, they've been trying to warm out our intentions here for
Ketahuan dong.
ages.
Well, they found out tonight. Hope it was worth it.
Yeah, assholes should have minded their own business.
Hop.
Base camp, this is Gamma Leader. Where's our backup? Don't give me that shit. The site is secure, but we still need some cover. I'm sure somebody heard something. Second part of the plan. Tell...
Yes. Ketahuan dong. Astaga. Aduh, dibom lagi kita. Jurus menghimpat ala Aduh, mati.
All
kita
right,
harus
let's dispose
kita
of
harus
the
lebih
bodies.
ini ya sekarang.
You, monitor the police band. Let us know when the gunshots get reported. Rourke and the reinforcements are on the way. I want everything ready when they get here.
Goddamn archaeologists.
Kena dong.
Glad to be rid of them.
Yes.
Yeah, they've been trying to warm out our intentions here for ages.
Well, they found out tonight. Hope it was worth it.
Yeah, assholes should have minded their own business.
Base camp, this is Gamma Leader. Where's our backup?
Oh, salah.
Don't give me that shit. The site is secure, but we still need some cover. I'm sure somebody heard something. Second part of the plan.
We'll be
Tell the
back soon.
locals we shot a rabid jungle cat and we're making sure they're
Yes,
not
aman.
anymore. Stall them as long as we can. Base camp, your signal's weak and garbled.
Ini dari belakang dong.
Base camp? Come in,
Yes.
base camp. Come in.
Base camp. Kita ambilin dulu nih. Bawa aja ya.
Are those extra fuel?
No, sembunyi dulu.
Here 5 minutes ago.
It's smart to store them that close to the wall.
Like I said, they've been dropped off. We'll move them deeper inside later tonight.
Good.
Oh no, ketahuan dong. No.
Visual
Astaga, sampai helikopter dong.
Engage!
Banyak banget ya.
Vegas wants her alive! She's killing our people! Fuck!
Mayatnya ada deket-deket.
Target
Temen
sighted.
udah lihat. Oh, kalau main tembak-tembakan. Astaga, belum siap dong, belum siap. Lu nggak tahu jagonya Valorant nih. Ledakin mereka semua. Boom. Mana lagi? Ambil lagi. Boom. Yes. Gua harus kemana sih? Oh, bisa di-loot dong. Yes. Kita loot-lootin dulu ya. Bentar, gua mau lihat dulu. Yes. Kita keluar sekarang.
There she is.
Oh, ada penjaga lagi. Nah, kita ketangkap. Aduh, pas itunya jatuh lagi.
Stop! Don't hurt her.
Jangan sakitin dia. Nah, Dominic ini orang baik sebenarnya.
Lara Croft.
Lara Croft.
This isn't the way I hope.
Gue udah lama naksir sama lo.
You know I've been
Sombong
interested
banget.
in your work.
Trinity always is.
Trinity selalu di hatiku.
The key of Shasha. I've sacrificed my life for this. Where's the silver box of Isha? Give it to me.
Ayo, menikah denganku.
It's in a safe place.
Gak mau.
You don't have it.
Kau menolakku, Tete? Habis sih. Singkat aja.
It never occurred to me that you would just take. With this key and the silver box, you can remake the world without
Basna.
weakness, cruelty,
Bas benar.
and certainly with none of this.
Dia bukan lagi
Without the
tanggung jawab.
box. The apocalypse. The death of the sun.
You're lying.
Lara,
Kamu pembohong, katanya.
you felt it when you took the key.
Aku hanya suka kepadamu, katanya.
A tsunami is coming. And this
Tsunami
is the
akan
first
datang.
of many catastrophes you're doing.
You would have done the same.
Itu disebabkan olehmu.
By taking the key.
Oh, kayaknya kalau belati itu diambil dari tempatnya, maka akan mendatangkan tragedi. Iya. Belum dapat pengatam. Ini gue lagi mencoba memahamin gamenya ya.
Cleansing has begun.
Ceritanya.
It falls to me now to stop it before it consumes us all.
Masa benar sih ada tsunami? Kalau gitu harus kita ini mengungsikan nih penduduk kota. Astaga, bener dong. Ya kabur. Oh, salah kita dong. Banyak mati guys gara-gara kita ngambil belati. Oh ya, berenang. Naik ke sana. Kemana? Kanan. Yes. Jangan sampai nabrak. Wih. Kiri. Tapi seru ya. Oh no. Kanan. Ya benar. Kanan. Oke. Ini gara-gara kita nih sampai begini nih. Oh no. Pegang. Tangkap. No, lepas dong misalnya. Oh bisa. Ya roboh dong. Oh, sawas. Menghindar. Keren banget ya. Wih, begini ya. Ayo. Dimana tempat bernapasnya? Oh, ada. Yes. Ini kemana sih? Ya. Terus. Oh, banyak mayat dong, kasihan mereka. Gara-gara kita doang ini. Bener-bener gara-gara kita ini guys. Terus buruan. Mati ntar lu. Nah kan, perangkap kan sini kan. Terus. Yes. Oh, selamat. Masih belum selamat ternyata. Keren banget, sumpah keren. Nah, ini kita ketemu dinding nih. Naik. Yes. Akhirnya kita selamat dong. Oh, lagi. Tuh. Iya. Sana. Naik eskavator. Keren. Sorry belum sempat baca ini. Lah? Astaga. Harap bakunyung larani pintunya. Kat Sungai Martapura. Kayaknya kita harus naik ke lampu tadi deh. Naik ke lampu. Nah, bener kan? Naik ke lampu lagi. Lompat langsung. Yes. Jadi ya. Oh, sana benar. Astaga, salah pencet dong. Mati lagi dia. Oke. Kita langsung ke sana, guys. Yes, selamat. Terus. Oh, ke atas. Nah, kita ke kanan. Lompat. Oh, no. Mau jatuh dong. lama cuy. Oh. Astaga, nggak sempat dong. Ini gara-gara lu nih, Lara nih. Ada api lagi. Terus nih, oh ke atas. Ya jatuh. Mati mulu dah. Dah dari sini. Oke. Nah, terus tancap ini ya. Yes. Langsung lompat ke atas. Kanan. Oke. Udahlah, nggak usah ditolong lah. Udah sempat juga nolong dia. Scan yang menyedihkan banget guys. Oh no. Buruan. Yes, kita sampai atas dong. Nah, gue banyak dapat screenshot ini. Ah, itu si Jonah tuh. Jonah!
Lara!
Menyedihkan
so
banget
worried.
guys. Aku sangat khawatir.
Worse.
What do you
Aku
mean?
gagal.
Dominguez. He has the dagger. I lost it. After everything that my father went through, I gave Trinity exactly what they wanted.
Biar dia marah-marah.
He'll use the box and the knife to remake the world.
To remake it into what?
I don't know. He
Dia
needs to get rid
mendapatkan itu
of sin and
pisau
weakness.
belati.
A man like that, we have to stop him. It's all my fault.
We'll figure it out,
Ini
okay?
salahku,
I
Gagal.
promise.
No! We have to get to the hidden city before Trinity. We have to find the silver
Oh,
box.
kita harus
Okay?
ke kota
But
tersembunyi
first,
katanya.
we're gonna help these people get to safety,
Oh,
and
ada
then we'll
kota
go after the
tersembunyi,
box.
guys.
No one is safe. Not if he gets
Tidak
the box
ada
first.
yang aman.
I have to go. I'm the only one.
You're the only one that can what?
Marah ini si Jonah.
You don't know that you caused all this, Lara. Not everything is about you.
Tidak semuanya
These
tentang
people
dirimu,
need us
Lara.
here. We can do good now. Besides, what do we gotta go on? A riddle? We're gonna need more than pink fish and silver crowns to get to the hidden city.
Udah, kita ke Hidden City ya. Kita cari Hidden City, guys. Ah, di Amazon kita. Oke, siapa tahu ketemu ini Green Hell. Ini dia nih ceritanya yang pesawatnya jatuh nih. Lagi ngambek-ngambek kan berdua nih, cakep banget. Oh, screenshot dulu
We're looking for a
pokoknya.
volcanic mountain. The crown of silver is probably a band of clouds.
I just can't get those people back there out of my head. They lost everything.
The riddle says, chase the heart of the serpent to the Silver Crown Mountain,
Gak bisa
where the
di
twins
skip
confer.
dong.
I wonder what the twins are.
This storm looks like bad news.
It's just a little rain. We'll concentrate on the cloudy mountain.
Cloudy Mountain. If we find it, how do we know we have the right one?
Gut feeling? It's our only clue. The mural says there'll be more disasters. The best way we can help them is to put a stop to it and Trinity.
Gak bisa di skip juga sampai sekarang.
But how do we really know?
Jonah, what I felt when I took the dagger.
You mean the tremors of the tsunami?
More than that. It felt like I woke something up. I know that it's not practical. I know that it's hard to believe, but you need to trust me.
Kau harus percaya aku. Oh,
We have to trust each other.
Mau hujan nih, mau hujan nih.
Hey,
Hey,
I might have something over here.
Really?
gunung.
That's it.
Nah.
I don't like this storm. Should we come back in the morning?
We're so close.
I guess a little turbulence wouldn't stop Trinity either.
Miguel, is there anywhere to land?
Yeah, I can put you down near Coajaco.
Let's go.
Oke, let's go.
Contact! It might get bumpy.
Apa ini pecah? Tembakin. Hah? Kok batu? Apaan dia? Oh no, bakalan jatuh. Ah, ini kan scan yang pertama kan? Putus lah. Nah, kan bener kan? Wah, kita gantung guys. Di pohon kita. Oke. Ini auto save ya guys. Apa nggak bisa di save manual gitu? Wih, kita di atas pohon dong. Cakepnya ya. Ah, monyet. Lumpur. Terus mana ya? Bentar, nge-save gimana sih? Oh, ini. Udah ada dong. Wah, 7%. Lurus.
Miguel!
Banyak monyet. Tunduk. Keren juga ya. Mirip Green Hell loh ini detailnya. Ini bisa diambil nih.
Could be useful.
Harus gimana sih? Sana. Nah sini. Gak bisa lompat dong. Harus keliling kayaknya.
Can anyone hear me?
Ini kita bener-bener di hutan ini guys. Ah, buah beri.
Hello? Anyone?
Anyone, lu di tengah hutan kali.
Where are they? I have to find them.
Di sini. Yes. Sana. Wah, nyampe dong
Silver
kita.
Crown Mountain. I'm getting closer.
Keren banget guys. Ah, itu tuh, ada suara tuh.
Someone's over there.
Ada flare.
I have
Itu
to get
mungkin
to
dari si Jonah ya. Oke, kita ke sana. Oh, ada jalan dong. Lari. Ayo Lara, lari dong. Ambil. Itu telur ambil. Jangan. Yes, sampai dong. Keren. Sumpah ini keren banget nih, grafiknya keren banget sumpah. Wah.
Howlers.
Sini, yes, kita parkoran dulu. Kita main. Ah, itu ada apa di sana? Oh, itu pesawatnya tuh. Kita main sama monyet, guys. Hah?
A fire. Someone must be around.
Hello? Jonah,
Ini tempatnya Jonah ini kayaknya nih.
can you hear me? Where are you?
Kita nggak punya pisau dong. Ini dulu ya. Ada apa lagi sini ya?
I didn't know the storm would hit so hard.
Skill. Yes.
This is all my fault.
Kita bisa
I
nambah
should have listened to
skill.
Jonah, thought it through. I never should have taken that
Unlock
dagger.
skill.
I hope no one else was hurt. No other village destroyed. I need to stop these cataclysms before it's too late.
Punya kita yang mana sih? Oh, kita punya 3. Ini perlu berapa nih? Ini penting ya. You can unlock by completing 4. Terus yang mana? Oh, ini dulu. Ini. Ini. Oh, yang putih nggak bisa. Yang mana dulu ya? Bawa coil. Eagle sheet. Ini nih penting. Yes, tinggal 2. Lagi ya. Ntar dulu deh itu. Oh, yang putih kita udah punya. Speed udah habis. Oke. Yang ini nggak bisa. Oke, teman-teman yang udah nonton, kita sampai sini dulu ya. Kita akan lanjutkan di lain waktu game ini yang keren banget sumpah. Ini harus kita tamatin ini. Serius, ini game benar-benar harus kita tamatkan guys. Tapi gua mau jalan dulu. Jadi kita lanjutkan lain waktu ya. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye bye semuanya.